I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website on Wix. To begin, you will navigate to wix.com and create an account. You can then choose to start with a pre-designed template or let the Wix Artificial Design Intelligence, or ADI, guide you. The ADI asks a few questions about your business and preferences, then generates a unique site layout for you in just a few minutes. Once your initial layout is ready, it is time to customize. Wix offers a powerful drag-and-drop editor, allowing you complete control over every element. You can easily change text, swap out images, and adjust colors to match your brand. There are hundreds of fonts and thousands of free images available, giving you immense creative freedom to make your site truly unique. Now, let's enrich your website with content and functionality. You can add as many pages as you need, from a simple About Us to a full-fledged blog. Explore the Wix App Market, which offers hundreds of applications to extend your site's capabilities, like online stores, booking systems, or forums. Remember to check your site's mobile view to ensure it looks perfect on all devices. The final step is to publish your amazing new website. Before going live, you will want to connect a custom domain name, giving your site a professional address. Take a moment to preview your entire site, checking all links and content. Once you are satisfied, click the Publish button. Your website will then be live and accessible to millions of people around the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.